Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a story that's not just about pixels and code, but about passion, legacy, and a bold vision for the future. We're talking about Dolphin Gaming and the incredible journey of its founder. A son determined to honor his father's legacy by revolutionizing the world of adventure games. So, what is Dolphin Gaming? At its heart, it's a new game development studio, but it's built on a foundation of something much older and more personal. The founder grew up watching his father, a brilliant marine biologist, dedicate his life to exploring the mysteries of the ocean. His dad wasn't just a scientist, he was a storyteller, weaving incredible tales of underwater adventures, lost civilizations, and the intelligent, playful nature of dolphins. These weren't just bedtime stories. They were sparks of imagination, painting vivid worlds that felt as real as our own. Tragically, his father passed away, leaving behind a treasure trove of research, journals, and sketches, a blueprint for countless untold adventures. Instead of letting this legacy gather dust, his son saw an opportunity. He decided to merge his own passion for video games with his father's life's work. And that's how Dolphin Gaming was born. The name itself is a tribute, dolphin for his father's favorite marine creature, a symbol of intelligence and curiosity, and gaming for game engineering, representing the modern tools he would use to bring these stories to life. The core vision of Dolphin Gaming is to create adventure games that are more than just entertainment. They aim to be immersive experiences that educate, inspire, and foster a deep connection with the natural world. Imagine a game where you're not just completing quests, but you're actually applying real principles of marine biology to solve puzzles. Picture exploring a meticulously recreated coral reef, where every creature and plant is based on his father's detailed notes. This is the future of adventure gaming that Dolphin Gaming is building. It's about intelligent adventure, a genre they're pioneering. So, what makes their approach so different? It's all about authenticity. The team isn't just making things up. They are translating decades of scientific research into interactive gameplay. In their upcoming debut title, tentatively called Echoes of the Deep, players won't just fight generic sea monsters. Instead, they'll encounter marine life that behaves realistically. They'll need to understand ocean currents, bioluminescence, and echolocation to navigate the world. The challenges are designed to make you think like a scientist and an explorer. You might have to decipher the communication patterns of a pod of dolphins to find a hidden passage, or use your knowledge of deep sea vents to power a submersible. This commitment to authenticity extends to the game's narrative. The stories are deeply woven with themes of conservation, discovery, and the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. The founder believes that games can be a powerful tool for change. By allowing players to experience the beauty and fragility of the underwater world firsthand, he hopes to inspire a new generation of ocean advocates, just like his father inspired him. The goal is for you to finish the game not only having had an amazing adventure but also having learned something profound about our planet. The development process itself is unique. The team is a mix of veteran game developers, talented artists, and consulting marine biologists who ensure every detail is accurate. They are using state-of-the-art technology to create breathtakingly realistic underwater environments. We're talking dynamic lighting that filters through the water, procedurally generated seabeds that ensure no two explorations are the same, and an advanced AI system that governs the behavior of the marine life. It's a massive undertaking, but their dedication is fueled by a shared passion for this vision. They're building a world his father would have been proud to explore. Let's talk a bit more about what you can expect from their first game. Echoes of the Deep. The story follows a young researcher who discovers a set of journals that lead them on a quest to find a legendary underwater city, a myth the founder's father was obsessed with. The gameplay is a blend of exploration, puzzle solving, and resource management. You'll pilot advanced submersibles, use drones for reconnaissance, and interact with the environment in meaningful ways. There's no traditional combat system. Instead, challenges are intellectual. You'll outsmart predators, not overpower them. You'll navigate treacherous underwater caverns using your wits, not your weapons. One of the most exciting features they've announced is the Living World system. The game's ecosystem is dynamic and will react to the player's actions. For example, if you overharvest a certain resource, you might see a decline in the species that depend on it, affecting the entire food chain in that area. This adds a layer of consequence and responsibility to your actions, reinforcing the game's conservationist message. It's a world that feels alive because, in many ways, it is. The founder of Dolphin Gaming often says he's not just building games. He's continuing his father's final, greatest expedition. He's taking all that passion, all that knowledge, and channeling it into a new medium, one that can reach millions. It's a beautiful way to honor a parent's memory, transforming personal grief into a creative force that has the potential to inspire people all over the world.